Crescent Beach, Florida.
Yeah, I wouldn't have done this in a little car.
On your car.
No, I was talking about the car that turned around.
Oh, I see them do it all the time and they get stuck.
Wouldn't have done.
I stand out there on the platform and
Uh-huh.
see it.
Well, here comes the rain.
Reason?
Time for us to pay our dues and get rained out. Isn't it funny that they have no parking signs in front of the condo? How do they get away with that?
We can put one up. It's not a bad idea.
We could,
I was trying to figure out now. See how they
because
did
it's our property.
see how they did the post.
We
right
could
there?
put no parking.
See how, yeah, right there. Why
But
not?
they're not supposed to park right there. It says no parking.
I know. That's not a bad idea. I kind of like that a lot.
Just
Looks
something
official.
to repair all the time.
It lasts a few years. We got out of aluminum. Lasts a lot longer. I've got a guy that can.
But you can't enforce it and ticket people, right?
No. Just, if the post is going to enforce it.
Oh.
They can't park there because there's a post. We were going to put a post there anyway.
Yeah.
So Crescent Beach, Florida today. Out on the
no parking.
out on the
front
island,
walkway.
Crescent Beach, Florida, about 15 miles south of St. Augustine. Wow, look at that! I've never seen that before.
You mean in front of our what? What are you talking about?
I've never seen the
Oh yeah.
Go
It has those kind of tires.
yeah, never seen that.
It's up there. It has to be
Good looking
street
deck right
legal
there.
to get here, don't they? Isn't that ours?
Yes.
Those must be the tenants.
See how the sand dune fell there?
Mm-hmm.
That's why nobody's parking there right now.
Oh,
It's
I
to
see.
a point where
Yeah.
for that one guy that was on this little spot that somebody told me, Keelan told me, said that they just kind of wedged themselves in to the point where they couldn't even open the door, which was insane.
Watch out. This guy's walking.
I would not drive on this beach without a four-wheel drive.
Conservation zone.
Temperature's 80 degrees today.